Yeah.
Well, it looks stay up.
Magic.
Hey, at least this is it. It was on the 3rd floor
Okay.
that this happened, so I mean that's better than if
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh wait, is Trinity still? She said she parked on the 1st floor. She was like, is it a red car? And it like literally was a red car, so I was like
But it also looked like that car was still driving.
It was what?
Still driving when it caught fire.
Well, maybe they moved it.
That could be it too.
Oh my god, that'd be so scary if you were driving it and it caught fire. Oh my god.
You just drive faster.
Yeah. Like you just have to like get out,
Yeah.
right? Like I don't know.
If you have a fire extinguisher or something, get out, put it out.
Yeah, I don't know. Insane. But
We should
You know-
ask her if, like, because it says started, but, like, the temperature's not increasing right now. I didn't hit the button or anything.
yeah, it's kind of staying steady. We can ask her.
Yeah.
Do you know if we have like where these supplies are? Like they use for slime and stuff?
No, we have to go to Costco.
Yeah, it says to ignite, press the ignite button for 5 seconds, and after a period of 10 to 15 seconds, the temperature will begin to rise.
It flashed and then didn't start. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, it says 10 to 15 seconds.
Oh, it's going up. Okay.
Yay!
Yeah. It ignited.
Yay!
We got lucky last time that the wire broke, because, like, if that ignited, it was like,
Yeah.
that could have been real bad.
Yeah. Because somebody might try to
Literally
use it.
pinch it and pull it out.
Yeah. I don't know, that was insane.
Yeah.
Do we have to like weigh the next thing? Like the
Yeah.
and stuff? Because I can like set that up just so we can. Oh, and then this has to go for. Till what time?
Till it starts going back down.
Yeah. So like a few minutes.
Okay.
But yeah, I can like weigh.
Yeah.
The fruit snack.
Don't we have to do the sugar twice? We have to do everything twice. I know.
Okay, I'll weigh the sugar again.
Trust me, if I could skip out on it, I would have.
Which like okay, good science, but like whatever.
We should ask her if we have to use the fruit snack or if we can use the Altoid
The
instead.
Altoid, yeah.
Because that'd be easier to get into the right shade.
We just like.
I did make the smart decision not to put my notebook right next to this.
Oh yeah. Just in case.
Yeah, last time exploding wasn't great.
That's for a good story though.
Is it? I told Miss Nguyen about it, and she goes, "Isn't that what it's supposed to do?"
I know,
It's like,
yeah.
well,
I was like,
yes and no.
So will we have to get a new wire?
Yeah, we'll have to get a new wire each time.
Nuts.
Hey, we're still going up in temp too. This is actually climbing a lot more than they said it would.
Oh my god, that's scary.
No, it just means that it might have been that.
It's actually like.
Yeah, it's
good.
actually sealed and
Yeah.
working right.
Oh wait, I'm forgets how to like weigh things.
Yeah. It happens to the best of us.
Okay.
Did it work?
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, none of us died.
You
I
have
know.
the car at least.
Yeah. What was that mass?
13.7382. Oh, and then we have to press something on.
Yarb.
I wanna lose. I put the sugar went on top of it.
It's alright. Did you ever think to yourself, I'm chemist?
Dude, no, never.
Never?
Literally never. I do not feel like I'm a chemist ever. I'll
I
do things
always
in
feel
lab.
like I'm a chemist.
I wish. I feel like I just don't know anything. So like, I don't know, like somebody asked me.
What you need to understand is they don't know anything either.
Yeah. Because it's like, I don't know.
Somebody put an answer on the exam that was like, they like had to stop and ask Dr. Minto and Dr. Lale about it, and Lale had to like ask Minto, and they both paused and thought about it for a second, and they were like, that would work, but he doesn't know that, so take the points.
Oh my gosh.
It's like, that's a bold assumption.
14.7980. This is right here. I can measure out the wire too and like weigh the wire. So we have everything ready. How's the temperature going?
It's still climbing. Might be going down. No, it's still
It's like,
climbing.
yeah.
It fluctuates a little bit, but yeah. That's a good thing, though, right?
Yeah. It's like actually working.
Yeah, we didn't fail.
This sucks that we had to come here today. Oh my god, what happened to these scissors?
Oh, they've been like that.
Why?
Somebody broke them.
How does that even happen?
Stabbing stuff.
I guess.
I imagine somebody tried to pry something open using the scissor.
Yeah, that probably is what happened.
I've seen people do that with a knife, and
Oh my gosh.
it's so fucking stupid.
Dude, one time I put one of my knives like in our dishwasher, and then I don't know. Well, it wasn't my knife; it was like my roommate's knife, and it was sliced clean in half after it got out of the dishwasher. And it was like a big Cutco knife, and it was just like half of it was like over here, and the other half like attached to like the handle was like somewhere else. And I'm like, what happened in the dishwasher? Why did it go so crazy?
That wasn't the dishwasher. The knife was bad at that point, right?
I
I mean,
know, 'cause
that's
I'm like,
the
it's the
assumption.
dishwasher because they like move around. I'm pretty sure like in the dishwasher, but I'm like that would not cut a knife in half.
Right. No, I've washed plenty of knives. I've never had that happen.
That's why I'm like, what is going on? Zero one five five grams.
Said 5.5.
0.0155. Yeah.
Yep.
I wasn't sure if you got the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It was only off by 0.00, like 3 milligrams. So that's pretty close.
10
It's all right.
centimeters.
No big deal. You're used to being awesome.
I don't know if I should like press this back down because it's like kind of.
If you want to.
Oh, then I have to reweigh it. No, we're not doing all that. I had to go through mine.
Right.
Oh, okay. Send a text to Dice and be like, are you here? Or actually, I'm just gonna ask her if she has it.
Yeah.
If we have it, we'll be right to that.
She might make you go look in the cupboard or whatever it is.
Should I message her directly?
Yeah, I wouldn't do it in the group.
She's gonna call me out.
It's not even that, like, she'll call you out. It's just, like, some of those things, like, they don't need to hear all of that.
True.
They were texting us last night, and I was on my way home. I was like,
I know, I was in lab.
yeah,
I was
it's like, come on, guys. Expecting immediate responses from
I know.
us. Also, that Wednesday is day 2 of bidding, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be out early. So I should be able to get there by 5:30.
Oh, the day of the event.
We have to extend the lab for 3 days. You know why? Well, why would we make it the lab work for 3 days? What do we do in
Things went
Orgo 2 that
wrong.
we don't do in Orgo 1?
Analyze? I don't know.
What
do you
else?
mean? Spec.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like,
Pop quizzes.
Oh, quizzes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, it's been way too long. I was like, I don't know what you're doing there.
Fucking
It's like you
pop
actually
quizzes.
have to analyze stuff.
No, it's pop quizzes. We just have to slow them down so that they come in on the 3rd day for the pop quiz.
That's funny. Why is Minto like trying so hard for my class? Nobody cares.
Well, I found out those spec problems aren't even his. So, like, I don't think he's actually double-checked any of it. I think he's just reusing what other people have
Yeah.
done. And it's just like, yeah, that's right.
Uh,
I stand by the, I'm still pissed off about the benzene where it's 3 methyl groups coming off of it.
Yeah.
And he shows, like, the integration where it's, like, the one that's furthest, or the most shielded one has the highest integration. And it's like, that's not how it should be. The one in the middle should be the most shielded. Yeah, because I think Hong made those, like, by hand, and that's what it is.
because that's an Order 1 question though. We've had that in our Order 1 stuff.
Okay.
I see it and people are coming like ask me and I'm like, oh, it should be this because of that. And I check the key and I'm like, okay, I don't know why it's that. We're gonna go based on the key.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
like,
yeah.
it should be this other thing. Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
We've started going down in temp.
Yay! Okay, she said you will need to check in the material room. So I'm not on campus for the rest of the week. If you go to the department LD 326 and ask a staff saying you're part of the chem club, they should be able to like come with us.
Okay. We're gonna.
Okay,
we're-
there's a metal bookshelf with different things, and there should be one marked as chem club.
I feel so accomplished right now. Like, we didn't blow up. It ran.
Is it going down?
Yeah, it's going down.
Yay!
I know.
Do we need to
We have to let this run for like.
5 minutes or how long after?
It said 4 times the length of time it took to increase.
Let's just set a timer for like 5 minutes. That feels like it should like cool down. Maybe.
We'll let this get to 20, so that gives us like 6 minutes. That's like 8 minutes of it cooling down.
Yeah.
I had it recording for a little bit before we started, so
Yeah.
sure, we can say that's close enough. Do you know what the EM of the wire is? Because I think we have to actually calculate that.
The EM?
Yeah.
Oh, right there.
E total equals the change in energy from the sample plus the metal wire times the...
Maybe it's on here. I don't remember seeing it though.
Yeah, I didn't remember seeing it either.
I'm gonna look. Maybe we can ask them.
Yeah, we can. I still have to finish my report.
Yeah,
That's what I'm going to be doing now. Well, I have to do the stupid conversation with Blacklock and then
what's it over?
insulin.
I was like, what are you guys even doing there right now? The other day we had our review thing next to our inorganic review session, the room next to you guys, because we looked in there and we saw so many people. We're
Yeah.
like in like the weekend class right now.
It's like all of us were all in the exact same classes. I'm pissed though that like Blacklock's class got moved to the later time because it was set to be like I think it was at like 2:30. So like we had a 15-minute
Oh.
break, so like perfect time to like eat lunch
It's
and then
'cause
have
the
a class.
inorganic probably. The
Well,
inorganic class is at 3.
She's also teaching another class,
Oh.
and that's why.
Because I got our key cam class switched, I think, because it was originally later in the afternoon too,
Oh,
and it was at 3, so it'd be like 3 to 4:15. But then I was like, I messaged the advisor like as soon as classes went out, and I was like, hey, this overlaps with my inorganic class, and I have to take this class right now. So it got moved to be noon, which honestly is better than having I hate afternoon classes, so
yeah.
I like the 10:30 classes.
Yeah, those
Those
I
are
think
like
are.
perfect because I'm like then I don't have to like get up that early, but also like
And then like, you know, if we end by like 3 o'clock, that's great.
exactly.
It's plenty of time here, gives me time to actually do other things.
She's still sending stuff. So there's also a tub on top of the bench, just a few feet from the metal bookshelf with stuff too. She says she thinks we have borax and glue to do slime, but she's like, just double check.
Okay. Do you know how to make the slime?
Don't you just mix like?
I've never made slime, so I
I
don't
think
know.
you just mix borax and glue together. Maybe
Oh,
more.
really?
I don't know. Yeah, I think it's like really easy. I don't know. I actually I think I have made slime, but like I don't remember. Let's look it up. Slime recipe.
And we're gonna have to like portion this out. How many of the little baggies do you think we should make?
10, 15.
And no more than 20, right? We're not gonna have that many.
People are gonna show up.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna
But
get
I want
anybody.
to do it, so I want
Yeah.
one.
I do too.
I want to make the. I don't care about the slime. I want to make the crystal hearts though.
Yeah. Well, I mean, so you're thinking 2D structures. You can make it a 3D crystal heart.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah,
You could make,
just
like,
wrapping the
Yeah.
pipes around it
Yeah.
and make it stand out more.
It says that we need Elmer's glue, baking soda, and saline solution. We're gonna look it up with borax. We're not trying to
Okay.
mold this with borax. Perfect. I think it's just glue borax though. I guess food coloring.
No, we'll definitely have to get food coloring now. And they might have some.
We're gonna need like those pipe cleaners. Let's
Yeah.
get those.
I know, that's the other thing. It's alright.
Yeah, it should be fine though. Like I feel like you could go to like the dollar store.
Are we telling people about this? Have you been telling people about it?
Kind of.
I didn't tell anybody.
I'll send a message to my class.
Yeah. I should tell my classes.
That's what I tell my I told my students, and I was like, guys, join the chem club. I keep telling them, I'm like, join, come pull up.
I'm gonna be like, tell the Orgo students, all right, after the class is done, we're going on a field trip.
Yeah, come to
this
our
is part of
event,
class.
I don't know, let's see what Indy thinks for how many we should make. I feel like 15 will be fine. Like, I don't know, but I don't want to like have not enough.
Right? That's where it's like,
So it's like, do we? But I don't even think we're gonna get 15 people going. So
you don't know.
maybe.
This could be really popular.
Yeah, our 5 minutes is up. I was just looking.
It's not back to equilibrium.
Nuts.
I know. I'm gonna let it keep going
We'll
for a
keep
little bit.
waiting. Do we have to do 2 trials? We should ask.
I'm pretty sure we have to do 2 trials of everything.
I'm gonna ask her.
All right.
She
go
would be
ahead.
like, no, you don't actually want to.
Yeah.
People said we do. it says that we just have to do one or the other. So we only have to do sugar, or we only have to do like the percent, and we don't have to do sugars. So, because she was like, all we want you to learn is like how to calculate it. Like you don't need to do it twice because it's just gonna be the same calculation, just two different values. So she said you don't even have to do it twice.
Oh, so if we just do it this one
This
time.
is it.
Alright, so then we should just wait until this gets back to the
Yeah.
equilibrium. Yeah.
Okay, let's look more at the slide. Yeah, it says we need water, borax powder for food coloring, and glue.
Okay. Well, the other thing is like we have to find out how much borax we have and how much we're going to use for the crystals.
Let me see if I can pull up that whole
I looked at it, and I think it's just we make a saturated or a super saturated solution, and then let it.
thing. Yeah, I just wanted to see if like there were like comments or something, so it told you like actually, because like saturated is just like
Right.
like you don't have like a actual set.
Right. Well, we could look it up.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If like it just says. Oh, this is so cute.
If I had
Do
any
these last? Do you know? Will they just like stay like this? Like
for a
it's, like,
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. It's
Yeah, it
crystal,
just, like,
right?
dissolves
It's
or
crystallized.
something. Yeah. It's just like I'm gonna go to my like put it in my apartment or something, and it's gonna get like way too warm, and they're just gonna like dissolve.
You'll have a cleaner area underneath where it
It's
was.
just, yeah. Okay.
I mean, honestly, rock candy is really great for like showing what you can do with super saturated solutions. But yeah,
This is easier.
so we don't even have to. We didn't have to set the second pellet up. We wasted time.
Yeah, we didn't. Can I just put this back in here?
Yeah, it's not for human consumption, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Who gives a shit?
It's gonna be used for this anyway, so okay. Look, there's the pellet.
I was gonna say it's metal, so they shouldn't be reacting with each other.
It's fine. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Yeah, this makes me feel much better.
I know, I'm so glad I went and asked.
Yeah.
I can just tell she's not here. Yeah, no, she was here like till like 11 last night. She said.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she was working on this like. I don't know what it's called. She told me when I came in. 'Cause I was like, "What are you doing here last night? Like, go home."
I mean,
She's like, "Well, I'm a grad student, so like I'm just here all the time."
I was here later than I should have been because, like, after we finished the exams, I then went over to check like other people's stuff because it's like, if it's just my class, okay, that's on me.
check.
But yeah, if it's like Sukmet's class, which is the classroom next to mine,
Yeah, she
and
was
then-
my student in Order
yeah,
1.
and then it's Emily's class
Yeah.
and Andy's class.
Is
I
there
mean,
something wrong?
yeah, there's something wrong. It can't be just one class totally
Yeah.
fucked up and like
Yeah,
it
that'd
can be, but like that
it's-
was not the
no,
case.
Yeah, the whole class is it would not.
He was talking about how like we might be able to like get their data out if we like zoom in, and it's just like
Bro, why is he so insane?
I'm pretty sure we should just give them different spectral data at this point.
Well,
And
yeah,
like
'cause-
I know I have two students who shouldn't have gotten any spec data, and like I'm okay with that because I ran their samples. But there were some that I didn't run, and like he told the guy who was working in the lab last night to go run his samples. It's like, all right, well now I have to pull all my samples off, which you didn't finish running, which were like 5 more students.
Bruh.
I just
In the one over there,
yeah, I don't think he thinks things through all the way. He just like
he definitely doesn't.
yeah, which is why he waited until last night to tell all the TAs that they had to grade.
You
It's
had
like-
to grade it like last night?
Yeah.
Oh, the exams.
Yeah, he
He didn't say anything?
he didn't say anything at the TA meeting. He was like, "Oh, they're gonna have the IR value on the back of their exams tomorrow," and I was like, "Cool."
Okay.
And then like he didn't lead that into, "You guys need to make sure you come and grade." Nope, didn't say anything. And then like 4 o'clock, he sends out an email. It was like 3:40.
Yeah.
To be like, "Hey guys,
By the way,
yeah."
hope you're not busy tonight. Oh my god. He's something else.
Yes.
Okay, there's no amount that's saying. Maybe I'll look up like the recipe actually.
Or the solubility limit.
It says 6 tablespoons of borax in the boiling water until it stops dissolving. That still doesn't even tell me actually.
Yeah, it doesn't tell you the volume of water, nothing.
Yeah, into water, how much?
So,
Oh,
this is
wait,
what.
ratio of borax to water. 3 tablespoons of borax for each cup of boiling water.
Okay.
So, it says it should create a supersaturated solution to beat the crystals. I'll write it down. This is still going down.
Yeah.
It's still like, it's almost
Slowly.
there. Yeah. Yeah, I'll make like I would make like a Google Doc and just put it into the thing, but it's so annoying when nobody has access to the email.
Well, it's Google the two-step
Dude,
authentication.
I'm so sick of this. Like, literally breaking my account. I don't care.
Yeah.
It's like, it's so annoying. Okay, I'll do this. Okay.
So I think at most we have like 5 more minutes left, and that will have been enough time for it to have fully equilibrated, I believe.
Okay, perfect. 3 tablespoons.
Because it took about like 5 minutes to go up, and then
Yeah.
20 minutes to go down.
I think
That
it's
should be
fine.
good.
And we don't do anything else, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 tablespoons if you want to make 15. I don't know. I'm just gonna end this.
Okay. Depends on how many people we tell about it. Nobody knows.
Well,
You
it's
don't have
just
to be there. I can watch it.
yeah, I was like, I can go for like part of it. Okay, let's do 20. Fuck it. I'm gonna tell my class about it. There's 3 of us, 4
Right.
of us going already, or 5, and that's not even like other people who aren't in the club. So it's like,
Yeah,
make 20.
I saw somebody buy rocks yesterday. They bought a rock with googly eyes on it for $2. So like,
Oh my god.
I'm saying, if people find out about it, it might pop off.
Yeah, that's what we need though.
We should just start like
We
selling
need to take pictures when
we
we
should
have.
get googly eyes to put in there too.
I know. I wanted to get like little like heart things to put in the slime because I was like that'd be cute, but I don't know where I get that.
We'd have to get something that doesn't dissolve in that solution.
Yeah, true. Pipe cleaner, mason jar, screen.
You don't even really need a mason jar. You just need a cup.
Yeah. Doesn't have to be sealed though. Oh, it's just an open container.
Yeah, it's just like rock candy, where like you.
I've never made rock candy, so I don't know.
Oh, so you take a stick. You make obviously super saturated solution of sugar. Take a stick, you tie the string to it, and then whatever you want as like that. You can make it a string, or you can take a stick and then like have that dip down in there. But whatever you do, you want to roll that thing in sugar crystals beforehand, and then you just put it in.
Oh.
It takes like 7 days to do, which is why it's annoying.
Yeah, except this one should only take 2 days.
Yeah, so that's the turnaround where it's like borax crystal, probably cooler because it happens quicker.
Yeah. 20 of them. I guess we need like Ziploc bags to like put all this stuff in.
Yeah.
And I could get those. I could get like I won't get it today because I'll go to the store this weekend. But I can grab.
Okay. I mean, I am supposed to be the treasurer, but I will
Oh,
totally
yeah.
let other people do stuff
well,
like
yeah,
that.
if you want to go
'Cause,
get
like-
it, because you can just submit a request to
Yeah.
the school of science and they'll give us money back for it.
Will
so,
it?
Like, yeah, because if you like.
I thought she has our
Oh,
like
we
how
have
much money. Yeah.
Oh.
And so like I have
Oh,
to
we-
submit it to Dice anyways.
Yeah, if you want to do it then,
Yeah.
and just take care of that, because.
That way it looks like I'm actually doing my job.
Yeah. No, I feel like.
Well, like I tried to do it with the Costco stuff, and Leo was like, "Oh no, I'll pay for it." I was like, "Okay."
why?
Then he was like, "How do I get reimbursed?" And it was like, "Well, you have to talk to Dr. Dice."
Yeah.
Oh, and it's like, "Yeah, this is why I offered to pay." He's like, "I have the money. I
Yeah.
could have covered it, but you insisted."
Yeah. Yeah, no, if you want to go.
I saw
that,
his and
then-
Emma's exams.
Oh.
She did much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt. I was like, "Oh,
It
you
was
might
bad.
be coming back for round 2 with it."
Oh. Yeah, dude, Emma
It's-
was in she was in my Calc 2 class. I didn't even know.
Yeah.
She like
She's
when
so
we had
quiet.
the meeting. Well, yeah, I also like sat in the front, and it was like when we were still with engineers. So it was like me and like these like 3 engineers, and we would always talk and like everything, and then like everybody else would just disperse around the class randomly. And I like never talked to her, and then she like told me, she's like, dude, were you in my Calc 2 class? And I was like, do you have it with like the grad student and stuff? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, dude, I didn't even know you were there. My bad, but I don't know.
All right, I think we've waited long enough, but it's still
I feel
going
like
down.
Yeah. I guess we could wait till it's like completely still going. Yeah, it just keeps going down. When
It's
it
fluctuating now.
Yeah, I was gonna say
All
when it
right,
started.
I think we might
It'd
be
34,
okay.
33, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, how to make this assemble? It says